Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In the previous video, we have defined and went through some words related to our text. Now we are going to start discussing our text, which is on page 54, titled by the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are a tradition from ancient Greece. They took place in Athens over 2,700 years ago. The modern Olympic Games began in 1896. Many of the sports we see today were at the original Games. As you can see here, guys, in this paragraph, it talks about the history of the first version of the Olympic Games, which is in ancient Greece, and it started before 2,700 years. So this is the first version of the Olympic Games, started before 2,700 years ago. But the modern Olympic Games, the modern version or the new version, started in 1896. So we have to keep in mind the first version of the Olympic Games, which was in the ancient Greece, started before 2,700 years ago. And the new version or the modern version started in 1896. And most or many of the sports we can see today in our Olympic Games, okay, they were in the original or in the first version of the Olympic Games. So a lot of sports were played on the ancient Greece. The modern Olympic Games happen every 4 years, just as they did in ancient Greece. So as you can see here, this is a similarity that the both Olympic Games share, that they happen or it happens every 4 years. يعني كل 4 سنين بيصير عنا احنا Olympic Games. The same as before، يعني مثل ما كان زمان هلأ عم بيصير، فهذا الاشي مشترك بينهم.